Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. My name is Abigail Ifoma. If you're new here or you're just seeing my video for the first time, welcome guys. If you're new to my channel and if you're old subscribers, thank you guys so much. Thank you for always coming back. I really appreciate you all. Thank you. So today we are going to be recreating this look on your screen. I hope you enjoy the video. Why I'll be showing you guys how I achieve that. So stay tuned guys.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're gentle and wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
So guys, here is what the final look result is looking like. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, please don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know what you think, and also subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, thank you, and stay blessed always.